Korea's consumer prices grew at their fastest pace in nearly 5 years last month. The growth was led by a spike in the prices of oil, as well as agricultural and farming goods. Our economics correspondent, Kim Min-ji, has more.
Korea's consumer prices have risen to their highest level in almost 5 years. The country's consumer price index rose 2.2% in March from a year ago, accelerating from 1.9% growth in February. The figure is the highest since the 2.2% recorded back in June 2012.
The increase comes on the back of rising gas prices at the pump and higher utility bills that pushed up inflation, along with expensive fruit and vegetable prices. Global oil prices are another factor. We must note that oil prices hit extremely low levels in March of last year.
In fact, the prices of petroleum products have risen over 14% to their highest level since November 2011. That's helped pull consumer prices up by 0.59% overall. Agricultural and fisheries goods rose 5.8% in March, leading to a gain of 0.46% in the overall figure. Core inflation, which excludes volatile oil and food prices, edged up 1.7% from the previous year. The government has vowed to keep close tabs on prices, especially on goods or services that affect the average household. It noted that the rise in prices will taper off in the coming months, as recovery in global oil prices has slowed, and that prices of agricultural products will drop with the arrival of the spring harvest season. But risks remain due to the possible fluctuations in global oil prices and the weather. The country has been suffering from low inflation over the past 2 years, amid the slump in global oil prices. The consumer price index grew 0.7% in 2015 and 1% last year, falling below the central bank's target of 2%. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.